Good day everyone. So here's the second part of our unboxing. So here we will going to connect the power cord to the power outlet. So let's see if it fits. This one. So oh, it's perfect.
Seksek na yun.
So isasaksak natin to siya sa power outlet, of course. And then this one is the LAN cable. So pwede siyang i-connect directly sa laptop or sa computers.
Sa
Para
cellphone.
in that way mas malakas yung signal ng
Cellphone.
ating anak. It's PC or laptop.
Dako lang.
Wait, okay, here now we will connect the LAN cable. So I will try it. So of course the other end will be connected to the LAN port of your laptop or Wi-Fi.
Laptop o Wi-Fi?
Yes. Ito na nga, naka-plug in na ang ating Globe at Home Prepaid WiFi. So, make sure na naka-download na kayo ng Globe at Home na app sa Play Store or App Store. And then, you just follow the instructions. So, when you connect to Wi-Fi, just look at the details at the bottom. So, make sure you will... So, yung name ng Wi-Fi is yung SSID, and then the Wi-Fi key is yung password. Okay. And then make sure na i-claim mo yung 10 GB free data mo. So, dun sa app. So, it's just easy. Just follow the instructions.